Hey guys, and welcome back to new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I am sharing with you the latest update for Contentomatic because, as I said before in older videos, I made an update for it to be able to automatically fetch keywords from RSS feeds. So using this method you will not need to constantly write new keywords for the plugin, but instead it will automatically fetch the keywords which are found in RSS feeds from the item titles, and also it will enter the sub keywords which is set here from the item description or content found in the RSS feed post items. So let me show you this in action. If you haven't heard of Contentomatic so far, you will find it in this video's description. It is linked there. And let me go ahead and demonstrate this. So for example, I have here my RSS feed on coderevolution.ro, and it's the feed structure right here. It is major really about WordPress. This is a site about WordPress, and let me copy this and go to ArticleForge to post. Normally after you entered your ArticleForge API key, we'll be linking also to ArticleForge in this video's description. Go ahead and check them. And instead of article keyword, you can simply add the RSS feed URL from where you wish to create the post. Now let's save settings. You don't need to enter sub keywords or anything else. Just select other settings from here if you wish, and run importing or wait for the plugin to run at a schedule, because it will work also automatically based on this amount of hours from the creation of the rule. Now importing will take a bit longer because I added a long article here. So the progress is 90% here, and I have to entertain you guys a bit because if you refresh the site you will see that it's 41% the article creation progress. Until then, let's check our site. It's empty. And also let's go to Contentomatic, scroll down here. Yeah, this is purely for entertainment purposes, and as the importing runs, because this is not scraping, this is importing of a PLR article which is spawned. So it is rewritten, it is automatically unique, and they are now generating it. So 56% here. Okay, and we can see that the keyword sent us a message that set search keyword Maintaingo and sub keywords maintenance, Maintaingo WordPress company owning. So this is the source, and if we search here we can see that the plugin selected this feed item. So a review for this WordPress maintenance service, and let's see what ArticleForge will generate us for this specific keyword, as it is very specific. So you will not find this keyword in any other database of PLR articles, and yeah, it is quite unique. So let's see what the results will be for this. If we refresh, we will see that we are at 73%, and we should get the article in about 1 minute from now. So bear with me guys as the progress indicator starts spinning up, and it's 77 now. Until then, I recommend you check also Crawlomatic and click on the link from this video's description. You will see that it is available and you will be able to purchase it. Okay, so let's go ahead and refresh the logs here. we are at 80%. Okay, so other feed items that the plugin could have selected are also WordPress related from here. So let's see if ArticleForge will be able to get us an article which is WordPress related and maintenance related, maybe backup related, as we have here these sub keywords and the main keyword is this. I am really curious of this, and we are at 86% now. It seems that generating the article takes a bit longer because it is a long article, and as you might know, they support also very long article importing, but in this case you will have to set also section headings, because for very long articles section headings are required, and you will be needed to set between 4 and 8 section headings here, which are comma separated. So keep in mind this when you create very long articles. Okay, so we should be at 92%. Yeah, so we are going steadily and surely to our goal, to 100%, and we will get that article generated from ArticleForge, and we will see the results soon. So here are we. As you can see, the first 40, even 50% is pretty quick. So there were between 40 seconds, and the progress indicator is at 50%, and from 50% to 90, oh, it's done. So it took 48 minus 5 minutes to generate this long article. Okay, now let's go to the front end of our site. Maintain it yourself. Consider using affordable website maintenance plans. Yeah, so the text is quite really good quality, and here we have a video about, which seems a bit unrelated, about some singing man, but yeah, it's quite okay, especially because this is very niche specific. So yeah. Okay, so these are the results of ArticleForge, and keep in mind, in the ArticleForge to post section you will be able to use also RSS feeds to get your keywords. This is not yet possible also for Article Builder, as they have to add niche selections. So they need niche selections and they don't need keyword selection, and because of this I was able to add this only to ArticleForge. So update to the latest version of Contentomatic and check this latest feature, and until next time, let me know in the comments of this video what features you would like to see in upcoming updates for my plugins. Until next time, have a nice day, bye bye.